Okay, now here they ask from us find the value of x, right here. So you have to think a little bit here out of the box, because different way, right, we can get this value easily like this. Now here they tell you this all four sides equal, right, these are equal, and this is not equal, otherwise we can think this has a regular pentagon, but they not tell AB is equal to this, so that's the problem. Right now, but if you draw like this way, I will draw here dotted line like this way to get this idea, right, like this. If I join here, you don't need to do join these thing, because I'm here do I need to explain, that's what, right? Okay, now if I join like this way, you can see OB, OC, OD, OE, these are radius of same circle. That means these are equal, right? This equal, right? I can tell like this way, like this. This all equal, right? That means you can think OCB triangle, DOC triangle, EOD triangle, and EAO triangle. These all four angles are congruent. Because why? No, these two sides equal, and this is. And then here also same way. This two and then this one. Side, side, side. In that case, this all four angles are equal. So that's why you can think this angle equal to this angle, and this angle and this angle, right? This four angle equal. So you can get one of these four angle. How? This is 60, no? So from 360 subtract 60, right? Then that answer will be here 300, right? Very easy, from here to here 300. Then 300 divided by 4, because we have 4 equal angle again for this 300, right? This and this and this. So this 4, you can find one of that and divide by 4, it will be 75 degrees, right? And then now if I mark here 75 for example, now very easily you can find x here, because from ED this is go to center, from ED go to C, that means circumference here, like this way. From ED go to center, and then from ED go to circumference. That means x should be half of 75. So you can write x equal half of 75. We learn no that way theorem. This is equal to half of center angle. This way, from ED go to center, from ED go to here. So here answer 75 divided by 2 mean 37.5 degrees. That's the answer for x.